Ever feel like your business is drowning in a sea of receipts, invoices, and expense reports? You're not alone. Managing business expenses can be a monumental task, especially as your company grows. You're probably looking for a solution to streamline this chaos, and you've likely come across names like Dext and Expensify. But what's the real difference between them, and which one is the right fit for your unique needs? Let's dive in. At their core, both Dext, formerly Receipt Bank, and Expensify are powerful expense management tools designed to automate the painful process of tracking and reporting business expenses. They aim to reduce manual data entry, improve accuracy, and give you better visibility into your spending. However, they approach these goals with slightly different philosophies and feature sets, making them ideal for different types of users. Think of Dext as your pre-accounting specialist. Its primary superpower lies in its robust data extraction capabilities. Dext leverages advanced optical character recognition (OCR) technology to incredibly accurately pull information from receipts, invoices, and other financial documents. You snap a picture, email a receipt, or upload a PDF, and Dext goes to work, extracting key details like vendor, amount, date, and even individual line items. This makes it a fantastic tool for accountants and bookkeepers who need clean, accurate data fed directly into their accounting software. It integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Xero, QuickBooks Online, and Sage, making the reconciliation process a breeze. Dext is all about getting that raw data digitized and organized, ready for the next steps in your accounting workflow. Expensify, on the other hand, positions itself as a more comprehensive expense management platform, often described as a financial management super app. While it also boasts excellent receipt scanning with its SmartScan technology, Expensify goes further into the expense reporting and reimbursement cycle. It's highly focused on the end-user experience, making it incredibly easy for employees to submit expenses on the go, often with one-click report creation and automated reimbursement. Expensify also offers features like corporate card management, bill payment, invoicing, and even basic travel management. If your priority is to simplify the entire expense reporting and reimbursement process for your team, including robust approval workflows and real-time insights into corporate spending, Expensify is a strong contender. Its mobile-first design and intuitive interface make it a favorite for businesses with employees who are frequently on the road. So, who's for whom? Dext generally shines for accounting firms, bookkeepers, and businesses that prioritize meticulous data capture and efficient integration with their core accounting software. If your main pain point is the sheer volume of paperwork and the accuracy of data going into your books, Dext is built for that. Its strength lies in transforming messy documents into clean, categorized data, which is invaluable for tax preparation and financial analysis. Expensify is often a better fit for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution for their employees' expenses, from capture to reimbursement. Its streamlined workflows, ease of use for submitting expenses, and broader financial management features make it attractive for companies focused on employee experience and automated expense policy enforcement. It's particularly popular with small to medium-sized businesses and freelancers due to its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features beyond just receipt processing. Both platforms offer mobile apps, secure cloud storage, and various integrations, ensuring your financial data is safe and accessible. The choice ultimately boils down to your specific needs and priorities. Are you an accounting professional seeking powerful pre-accounting automation and data accuracy? Dext might be your champion. Are you a business owner or manager aiming to simplify the entire expense lifecycle for your team with a focus on seamless reporting and reimbursement? Expensify could be the clear winner. Consider your team size, the complexity of your expense policies, your existing accounting infrastructure, and your budget when making your decision. Both tools offer free trials, so you can always test them out and see which one truly clicks with your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.